MINIXI Toilet with self-lifting seat. Traditional toilets, hand lifting the seat exposes you to bacteria. Toilet with self-lifting seat, no contact, protects hygiene. Toilet with self-lifting seat. It prevents men's urine from dripping and dirty water from splashing on the seat. Hygienic toilet seat, worry-free for your bottom hygiene. Self-cleaning toilet seat, reduces cleaning effort. No need to bend over to lift the seat, which is especially helpful for people with limited mobility, the elderly, and children. Strong flushing power in the large pipe, taking away waste in one go. Prevent dirt accumulation, making cleaning easier and more convenient. Quick detachable toilet seat, easy to clean. MINIXI, unveiling a new life of health and environmental protection.